Good morning. I have a million things to do today and there are some messes all around me. But the first thing I need to do is file a claim with my insurance because our upstairs heat's not working. Here is our snow situation.
18, 19, 20! That's my...
I'm trying to work on a budget. Desperately need to get that stuff in check. I'm doing while the babies are napping.
Are you talking to yourself?
I am talking to myself. It's one of those things that's like hard to look at, you know? Like you don't want to look at what you've been doing, but we must. I'm trying to make dinner. Oh.